Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas day. If you celebrate, I hope your holiday was all you wanted it to be. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating something for New Year's Eve, or you can use it as winter decor. So I'm going to be using these 3 vases that you see in front of me. 2 is from the Dollar Tree, and the other one is more like a jar, I believe, that had a cork lid. I picked that up from my discount store. I also have 1 Dollar Tree tapered candlestick holder, and I have 2 small tapered candlestick holders that I picked up from my thrift store. So I almost forgot to mention, I'm going to be using this chunky self-adhesive tape. I got that from Amazon. And if I can find the links to all this stuff, guys, I will definitely leave it in the description section. But this is really beautiful. It's really shiny. It's thick. It's chunky. I'm going to be using this as the decoration today. And I'm also going to be using the one in gold as well. The gold is just as pretty as the silver. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do this off screen because this was a little time consuming, is I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to use this as decoration. So right now I'm just going to wipe off the vase, just removing any fingerprints. Now this is the chunky glitter wrap that I cut in half. So I'm just going to start adding it to the top portion of the vase. So now for extra decoration, I'm going to add these chunky glitter teardrop shape embellishments. I'm going to hot glue these to the front of the vase right up under the wrap that I just applied. Now I'm going to use this gold pearl wrap. I got that from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this to create a nice design for the front of the vase. So next I'm going to use my silver marker and color over the black lines that are behind the wrap. I'm going to show you guys if you don't remove this, this is visible when you create your vase work, and honestly I really don't like the way that looks, and I'm just going to use my silver marker. I'm going to color over that, and it's going to look nice and clean when I'm done. Alright guys, so here's the finished project. I think this is really beautiful to start off your New Year's Eve celebrations with, and it can also just carry you straight through for the rest of the winter season. These make beautiful candle holders. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.